Welcome to this complete Doha Qatar travel guide. Imagine a place where the whispers of history blend seamlessly with the pulse of modernity, where the desert's rugged charm meets the city's architectural elegance. This is Doha, the heart of the Middle East, a city of contrasts, brimming with rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. It's a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. If you ever wondered what the heart of the Middle East has to offer, strap in for a thrilling journey. First up, the Museum of Islamic Art, a crown jewel of Doha. Designed by the celebrated architect Pei, it's a grand structure that effortlessly combines traditional Islamic architecture with a modern flair. Its geometric patterns and sleek lines are a sight to behold, a fitting home for the treasures within. Inside, you'll find an impressive collection spanning over 1,000 years of Islamic art. From intricate textiles and ceramics to masterfully crafted metalwork and jewelry, each piece tells a story of a time gone by. And it's not just about the art. The museum also offers a stunning view of the Doha skyline. Imagine standing at the edge of an ancient world, looking out onto a modern metropolis. It's a captivating blend of the old and the new, the past and the present. A true testament to the rich history of Islamic art, wouldn't you agree? Next, we're off to the Pearl-Qatar, a man-made island that's a testament to human ingenuity. The Pearl-Qatar is not just an island, it's an emblem of luxury, a symbol of how Qatar has transformed itself into a beacon of sophistication and elegance. Imagine Venice, but with a Qatari twist. Every inch of this island radiates opulence. It's a playground for the well-heeled, a haven for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The marina, for instance, is a sight to behold. It's not just a place to dock your yacht, but a social hub where the crème de la crème of Qatar come to unwind. And then there's the shopping. High-end brands from all corners of the globe have found a home here, offering a shopping experience that's second to none. And when you've shopped till you've dropped, the island's dining options, featuring cuisines from around the world, are sure to satiate your gourmet cravings. Who knew pearls could be so grand? Now, let's immerse ourselves in the bustling energy of Souq Waqif. This open-air market, with its roots tracing back over a century, is a true testament to Doha's rich history. Once a weekend trading area for Bedouin tribes, today it stands as an emblem of Qatar's past and present. As we navigate through its narrow, winding alleys, the air is filled with a tantalizing mix of aromas from spices, perfumes, and freshly brewed Arabic coffee. The vibrant stalls overflow with a myriad of goods, from traditional Qatari attire to handcrafted souvenirs, exotic foods, and even falcons. Yes, you heard that right, falcons. But Souq Waqif is not just about shopping. It's a living tapestry of life in Doha. The lively chatter of vendors, the soft strumming of a traditional lute, the laughter of children chasing pigeons, all these create a symphony of sounds that is uniquely Qatari. Experience the heartbeat of Doha in this vibrant market. Time to soak up some culture at Qatar Cultural Village. Now imagine a place where the whispers of history mingle with the vibrant buzz of today. That's Qatar Cultural Village for you. Nestled in the heart of Doha, this architectural marvel beautifully blends traditional Qatari design with modern aesthetics. But it's not just about the buildings. The village is a bustling hub of cultural activities, from art exhibitions to music festivals, film screenings to food carnivals. There's always something interesting happening here. And if you're lucky, you might even get to witness a traditional Qatari wedding. The crown jewel of the village is the magnificent amphitheater. With its stunning marble-clad design, it serves as a grand stage for some of the most spectacular performances, echoing with the symphonies of various cultures. In essence, Qatar Cultural Village is more than just a place. It's a celebration of diversity, creativity, and heritage. A cultural hotspot that's sure to leave you enriched. Ready for a leisurely stroll? The Corniche Promenade awaits. This 7-kilometer stretch offers more than just a walkway. It's a window to the vibrant pulse of Doha and a mirror reflecting the city's rapid growth and architectural prowess. The Corniche frames a stunning panorama of the skyline, where modern skyscrapers dance with traditional dhow boats in the backdrop of the serene Persian Gulf. As you saunter along the waterfront, you'll find plenty to keep you engaged. From outdoor art installations to food stalls offering a taste of local delicacies, there's something for everyone. The Corniche is also a popular spot for fitness enthusiasts, with its dedicated cycling and jogging paths. And as the sun sets, the skyline transforms into a dazzling light show, adding a touch of magic to your evening. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious wanderer, the Corniche Promenade offers an experience that's hard to match. A perfect place to unwind, wouldn't you say? Next, we venture into the Qatar National Museum, a marvel of modern architecture. Like a desert rose sprung from the sands of Doha, this museum captivates with its unique design, a testament to the innovative spirit of Qatar. Within its walls, a trove of treasures awaits. Exhibits are arranged in 5 themes: beginnings, life in Qatar, the modern history of Qatar, Qatar's natural environment, and people and society. Each one meticulously curated, shedding light on the rich tapestry of Qatar's history, its vibrant culture, and the nation's journey from a pearl diving settlement to a global player. And it's not just about the past. The museum's commitment to education and cultural exchange embodies the country's forward-thinking ethos, making it a hub for understanding and dialogue. From ancient artifacts to interactive digital experiences, it's a journey through time that leaves no stone unturned. A modern ode to Qatar's fascinating past. Now let's breathe in some fresh air at Aspire Park. This lush, verdant park spans a staggering 88 hectares, making it the largest park in Doha. It's a vibrant canvas of greenery, a refreshing contrast to the city's towering skyscrapers. The park is home to a myriad of flora and fauna, offering visitors a delightful snapshot of Qatar's natural beauty. As you amble along its winding pathways, you'll be serenaded by the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves, a symphony of sounds that make for a tranquil escape from the city's bustling rhythm. And towering over the park is the iconic Aspire Tower, also known as the Torch Doha. Rising 300 meters into the sky, it's an architectural marvel that offers a stunning panoramic view of the city and the park. Aspire Park is more than just a park. It's a green oasis in the heart of the city. Time for a dose of history at Al Zubarah Fort and Sheikh Faisal bin Qasim Al Thani Museum. Our first stop is the Al Zubarah Fort, a beacon of Qatari heritage. This well-preserved fort was once a thriving pearl fishing and trading town back in the 18th century. Its strategic location offered a panoramic view of the surrounding sea and desert, making it a vital outpost. Today, the fort stands as a testament to the bygone era, with its robust walls and watchtowers whispering tales of the past. Recognizing its historical significance, UNESCO bestowed upon it the World Heritage status, making it a must-visit site for history buffs. From one historical marvel, we move to another. The Sheikh Faisal bin Qasim Al Thani Museum is a treasure trove of artifacts. Housing over 15,000 pieces, this private collection is as diverse as it is vast. From vintage cars, Islamic art to Qatari and Bedouin artifacts, there's a slice of history at every turn. It's like walking through a time capsule that takes you on a journey across centuries and cultures. The museum is the brainchild of Sheikh Faisal bin Qasim Al Thani, a passionate collector who wanted to share his love for history and culture with the world. His dedication is evident in every carefully curated exhibit, making the museum a testament to Qatar's rich heritage, a journey back in time indeed. Finally, let's explore the Al Waqif Museum, a gem of Qatari heritage. This exquisite museum is a testament to architectural brilliance, seamlessly merging traditional Qatari style with contemporary design elements. It's like a time capsule, beautifully preserving the essence of Qatar's history in its walls. The museum's exhibits are a treasure trove of Qatari history, showcasing a myriad of artifacts from different eras. They tell a tale of the country's evolution, from a humble fishing village to a modern, thriving metropolis. Each artifact narrates a unique story, providing a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Qatar. Nestled in the heart of the old fishing village, the Al Waqif Museum offers more than just a walk through history. Its location provides a quaint charm, transporting you back to a simpler time when life revolved around the sea and its bounties. So as we step out of the Al Waqif Museum, we carry with us the memory of Qatar's past, its vibrant culture and its indomitable spirit, a perfect end to our journey through Doha Qatar. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Doha Qatar. We've journeyed through the intricate corridors of the Islamic Art Museum, strolled along the Pearl-Qatar, haggled in Souq Waqif, and immersed ourselves in the Qatari cultural village. We've admired the cityscape from Corniche Promenade and delved into history at the Qatar National Museum, Aspire Park, Al Zubarah Fort, and Al Waqif Museum. Doha, a city that beautifully marries history with modernity. Until next time, safe travels.